So we took these two lines off. I put it out of the way. This was here. I put it out of the way here. Took this one off, just kind of set it to the side there. And then I took all the vacuum lines that were reaching across and all right here. And I just set it back here. No need to disconnect all of them. And then we have this thingamabobber, which has tabs on both sides. And what you'll do is you'll just push both tabs at the same time and unhook that. Simple, right? You want to disconnect this here as well. Just, disconnect that and put this back on. It should just clip back into place whenever you put it back on. And just unhook all the wires back here that are going here. And then we'll be back.